All right, welcome guys. We're in the shop with Pilot Pete today, Pro Pilot Pete. I'm working on a lower ball joint on this Chevy Impala. This is a 2011. We showed one little video, but I'm going to replace this ball joint. I'm going to get an 18mm wrench and take that castle nut off, and then I'm going to show you guys these rivets have to be ground off. So we're going to get the camera set up. We'll set it up right in here somewhere. Try to get some good light. But I'm gonna take this little grinding wheel right here, air grinder, put a little X on each head, and then I'll take this chisel. I'll actually put the flat blade chisel in there and chisel them off, or try to. That's the goal. So hold on, let me go get. What am I going to do first? I guess I'm going to go get my 18mm wrench to take that castle nut off, and then we're going to grind those and chisel away. So let me stop the tape. Well, that didn't stop it. All right, problems in the shop. I had to take the whole lower control arm off. I'm going to show you guys what I was trying to do when I actually did. It's two different things here. Let's put the camera down. I gotta get a glove on before I touch it. All right, I was trying to change this lower ball joint, right? And this is the lower control arm. I can't even get the sway bar end link to come off. It's so, oh, it's such a mess. I mean, it's stuck in there. So I don't know, but I got to take it off to put it on the new one. But anyways, we'll figure that out on the bench. But I ground the heads off of these rivets. And you really do it off the bottom side, and I just pounded, and my chisel just drifted all over the place. I should have drilled some pilot holes first, but I don't have any room to work under the car. You know, I don't have it on the lift, so I could not get it off. And these control arms are bent up anyways. They were kind of chewed up. So anyway, so what I ended up doing is buying a new replacement control arm that has a ball joint in it, and that's what I'll do. I'm going to take this sway bar end link and move it to this one, and that's the plan. So I got it out of there. It's a mess under here. That CV axle's leaking a little bit, so there's grease all over the damn place. So what do? I mean, are you going to replace that too? It's not actually making noise, so I'd say just run with it until it finally starts popping. So anyways, you hate to keep putting money into an old car, or it's not even that old, but it's a Chevrolet, so what do you expect? You know I'm a Toyota fan. Anyways, that's it for now. Let's see if I can get to this one, get that swapped over and get this put in there. We'll see. Well, we got the new lower control arm in. It's all bolted in, torqued, and the ball joint's in, and it's torqued, and cotter pin is installed. Now I'll have to get a new lower sway bar end link, because the old one I can't get out of the old control arm. The bushing, I mean, it's just rusted solid. So anyways, what can you do? I'm gonna go get a new, and that sway bar's been bent. This thing's had front ends damage, because I can tell that these are junkyard parts because they're spray painted. Yeah, so it is what it is. We'll get it to where at least it's safe. It ain't gonna come apart on her. So anyways, that's it for now. I gotta go get a part, put that sway bar end link on there, and then put the wheels back on. We'll be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel on the other side and call my parts assistant to go get me a part, because I'm too dirty to go to the store. So anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.